There are thousands of videos showing you how to install the Luxe Neo 120 bidet, but today we are looking at how this budget, non-electric attachment actually holds up after months of real-world daily use. Because it lacks an electric motor, the engineering relies heavily on household water pressure. The single nozzle stays protected behind a splash guard gate, completely out of the drop zone when it is not actively being used. To keep it sanitary, the top dial features a dedicated self-cleaning mode. When you turn it left, it runs a high-pressure water curtain directly over the retracted nozzle tip to flush away any debris before or after a wash cycle. The biggest thing to beware of is the water pressure dial. This unit is incredibly powerful. For most pumping setups, shifting it just a fraction past the first notch is more than enough. Turn it up too fast, and the screen becomes aggressively sharp. After a full year of daily use, the braided steel hoses and solid brass internal valves are still rock solid with zero leaks. Just remember, this model only hooks up to your main cold water line, so that sprays is freezing in winter. If you don't mind the chill, it is highly recommended.